How to do the old face filter trend on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we will have to go to our Play Store or App Store and search for Face app. Install this app right here. It's really easy. You don't need to make an account and it's safe to download. Now click on the open button, then click on next and click on let's get started. Now click on the X button from the left top corner, then click on allow. Then you can go to gallery from the bottom of the screen, or you can just add a photo from here. I will go with this one. Click on your photo, then click on agree. Wait for it to load. And now to add the filter, we will have to go at the bottom of the screen and click on age. Then click on cool old or just old. These options from here. Here is how it looks like with cool old. And now with the old. Choose your favorite filter and then click on apply from the bottom of the screen, from the left bottom right. Then click on this icon right here. And then you will have to choose GIF. And now you can scroll, swipe, and see what you like the most. Like this, or like this. I will go with the first option, click on save. Now our video is saved successfully. Then you can go to your gallery, to your video, click on the edit button from the bottom of the screen. And now you can go here to crop. If you don't want the watermark with Face app logo on your video, you can do this. Click on this icon right here. Then you can do so. And then click on save. And now you can share this video on your TikTok account. Add your favorite music, your desired music, and post it on your TikTok. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can turn on the notification bell because I'm posting daily. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.